Hello, little explorers. Welcome to our special Halloween adventure. Look at our classroom. It's so colorful and fun. Are you ready to learn some new words with us? Let's begin. Look here on the table. What is this? It's glowing. What is it? It is a jack-o'-lantern. Yes, a happy, glowing jack-o'-lantern. Can you say jack-o'-lantern with me? Jack-o'-lantern. Great job. It has a big, happy smile. Now, what do I have here? It's round and orange. What is it? It is a pumpkin. That's right, a big orange pumpkin. We see lots of pumpkins at Halloween. Let's say it together. Pumpkin. One more time. Pumpkin. You're doing so well. Oh, who is this little friend peeking out? So fluffy and cute. What is it? It is a black cat. Meow. A friendly little black cat. Can you make a meow sound like a kitty? Meow. And can you say black cat? Wonderful. Look at my head. I have something pointy and fun. What is it? It is a witch. Yes, but a happy, friendly witch. I'm wearing a witch hat. Witches sometimes fly on brooms. Whoosh. Let's say it together. Witch. Fantastic. Now, let's look over here at these funny little decorations. What are these? They look so silly. These are goblins. Goblins. They have funny faces, don't they? They are just pretend. Can you say the word goblins? Goblins. You are so smart. Look at all our friends. They have little baskets and are walking around. What are the children doing? They are trick-or-treating. Yes, they are going trick-or-treating to get yummy candy. That looks like so much fun. Let's say it. Trick-or-treating, trick-or-treating. Yay. It's a fun and playful feeling. What is the feeling of Halloween? Spooky, but not scary. Just a little spooky, like a friendly ghost floating by. Can you say spooky with a little wiggle? Spooky, spooky. That was so much fun. Okay, everyone, are you ready for the best Halloween sound? What do we say on Halloween to be playful and silly? Let's all say it together. Boo. One more time. Nice and loud. Boo. Yay. Happy Halloween, everyone. Thank you for learning with us today. You did an amazing job. If you had fun, please ask your grown-up to like this video and subscribe for more adventures. See you next time. Bye.